Okay, so today we're doing our whole singing career. So we're going to be posting videos about singing. We think we can sing well. We don't know. So you can judge that, okay?
We will also be posting like gymnastics videos sometimes.
Yeah,
because we are gymnasts and we like singing. And sometimes we might be posting racing videos because we like track.
Yeah, we're in track this year. She's a little faster than me because I got this gut on me, but it's okay.
We're in track, we're in chorus, so we're doing all things that we love. Well, we're not in gymnastics, but we don't need it because we're awesome. So,
yeah. So I've been taking gymnastics for 2 years. So yeah. So
let's get on to the video.
This is the video of what we like. Let's get on, okay? You can start there.
No, sorry.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, we rose to clay. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I say fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. With you, I could stay here, close my eyes. Don't close your eyes.
I don't have this one.
Together, nothing is better. Side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. The game you play, they would always win. But I say fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Say fire to the rain, and I threw flies into flames. When I felt something die, 'cause I knew that it was the last time. The last time. Oh. That's not part. Early must be waiting for you. They were already over. I can't help myself looking for you. So set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Say fire to the rain, and I threw ice into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that it was the last time. Oh. So yeah. And then it just says, "Oh no, let it burn," It says just a whole bunch of
Not judge, please.
that.
Please like and subscribe.
Do that over and over again. Oh shoot.
Also,
Anyways, yeah.
like and subscribe, and we'll do more videos.
So we're also going to post another video today about gymnastics and stuff, because we're going to post 2 videos a day, and we have to finish. So basically what this channel is new, and it's going to be doing what we love. So if you don't like it, we're okay. Throw us hate. At least we're going to need views and comments, So we don't care. I mean, yeah, it will get a little bit to handle, but if you guys don't like it, you can just unsubscribe or block us, do something because we don't know if you're gonna like us or not. But we're just doing what we love, and that's all that matters. So yeah.
But please like and subscribe.